Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Agnasyatun Amalia with my student number 246121186. I am from class 3F. I want to present my abstract and introduction. The first is abstract. The aims of my research is the purposes of my study is to investigate the effectiveness of using cartoon film as a medium to teach English, to teach vocabulary of EFL or English foreign as a foreign language to students. I want to find out how cartoon film can help students improve their vocabulary mastery and make the learning process more enjoyable. And then, in the methodology, this research uses a descriptive qualitative method. The subject of my research is the second grade of MTS Islamiyat Jombang. And the object of the research is cartoon film in vocabulary learning, and the data were collected through classroom observation, student interview, and vocabulary tests to describe how cartoon film supports students in learning new words. And the predicted result, the expected result of this study is that using cartoon film provides an enjoyable, meaningful learning experience. It helps students understand and remember vocabulary better than we just talk about vocabulary. Student uh, more remember when we use cartoon film. And it also increases their motivation and participation during English lesson. Okay, and the next is the important sorry miss, the next is I want to explain my introduction. Paragraph 1 is the importance of the topic. In the first paragraph, I talk about importance of the topic. Vocabulary is one of the most important elements in learning English. Why? Because it helps students express ideas and understand why read or hear. Understand what hear and read. Without enough vocabulary, students may find it difficult to develop their speaking, reading, listening, and writing skill. Therefore, teachers need to find effective and interesting way to help students master vocabulary. And the key terms and the relationship is in paragraph 2. In the second paragraph, I explain the key terms and how they are connected. The first key term is cartoon film, which refers to animated movies or videos designed mainly for entertainment, but can also be used as learning method or learning media. The second key term is vocabulary mastery, which means student ability to understand and use English word correctly. These two key terms are related because cartoon film can provide a fun context for student to learn and remember vocabulary easily. And previous to this, in the third paragraph, I review the previous to this. The first is from Rahmawati, uh, who found that using animated videos improved student vocabulary, understanding, and motivation. The second study is by Majid, who stated that visual media like cartoon make students more focused and help them learn new words naturally because cartoon film is more interested than learning usually. And the third study is named Naila showed the student who learning vocabulary through cartoon film performed better on vocabulary tests than those who use traditional methods or learning methods usually. These studies show that visual media, especially cartoon films, can effectively support vocabulary learning. And the last is re-emphasizing in the search aim. In the last paragraph, I re-emphasize the aim of my research. My research is aimed to find out the effectiveness of using cartoon film as a medium to teach vocabulary to EFL students, especially in the second grade of MTS Isaniat Jombang. I hope this study will be show the cartoon film can make English learning more enjoyable, meaningful, and effective or for improving student vocabulary mastery. I think this is enough for me. Let's I say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.